Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the Confirm RM YouTube channel. We're getting ourselves back into 2-minute technicals looking at BTC. And as you can see, we got our exact move that we had thought of yesterday, right to the downside. As you can grab here, grab from here to here, and we can move right here. Look at that, right to the T. We're seeing that movement, the wick, exactly to where we thought, holding above the 236, and as you can see, we're moving sideways. So what are these little silly little lines we got here? So I have short-term little targets that I would like to show you on BTC, either getting a nice little push up to initially looks like it'd be around 22,400, and then promptly, so this, as you can see, it makes sense. You're going to be getting here to the 200, so the 20-day moving average, and then getting if you can get through that, a spike up to the 50-day, which is around the same place of the 200-day, because that's sitting at the 382 Fibonacci level. So I'm looking at both those two targets for BTC. As we have fallen down, you can see we're pretty much in the floor here, especially on the 4-hour. I mean, we're pretty much as close as we were and have been for a while. You can see Bitcoin does like a turnaround around this level. It's around this this 29 to 32 level. So you could expect that. You could also throw a trend line across the top of these, and we can do this. And you can even do one on the bottom here. Let's see how this looks. We're not exactly through, we basically came down to the bottom. Looks like we can come down a little bit more, which would basically be meandering here sideways, just above the 236 for a little while longer. But even then, it could just meander sideways a little bit and still be within that same minutia right there. But this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting some more grinding itself back up here, and then it's apex, and then we'll get either our larger move here on Friday, or we're going to get the larger move over here next week. That's going to see a very, very large move to the upside or the downside, depending on what sentiment Bitcoin has. So it's going to be a very important next 5 to 7 days. Like we said, we're still holding above this price level, which is okay, and just going to be the meandering and either popping back up, getting above this 20-day moving average like BNB has, or we're going to wind up seeing it falter. But in my own eyes, it doesn't appear like that could be the reasoning that could be coming. But just always keep your eyes peeled. Just definitely, if you're going to be day trading, just keep the numbers in thought. Like I'm looking at $22,059, but I usually take that with a plus or minus a percent or so. So you go here, and then plus or minus a percent, which would be down here too. In the middle of that range, about 21,818. But that's if you're doing that sort of thing. But hope you guys are having a good morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are. Appreciate you, as usual, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just my ideas on the market. Have a good one.